Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this cordless angle grinder from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, and put it to use. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's open it up. Comes with a guard. A handle. A wrench. And the grinder. And an instruction manual. Okay, let's take a closer look at the angle grinder. Here's the manufacturer. It does not come with a battery. However, it's made for the DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery or compatible. I have one here, and we'll go ahead and install the battery here on the battery docking port. It comes with a side handle that you can install here on the left side or the right side, either side. Okay, it has a shaft locked here. You would press that down. This would prevent the spindle from turning, so you can install the grinder disc. Okay, it has 3 grinding speeds, low, medium, or high. You press the mode button and activate the trigger switch. You have a battery indication light too. You can see they all light up green. This is the trigger switch here, and this is a lock off button. So when you press the trigger, it will allow the grinder wheel to rotate. However, you can hold the trigger switch in and use the lock off button. Okay, this is your lock nut and the inner flange, and you have a wrench here that you can loosen or tighten on the disc by holding the lock button down. Then it also comes with a wheel guard that will need to be installed onto this inner flange here and tightened up. Okay, it has a brushless motor and some vent ports here on the side. Has a rubber handle for ergonomic comfort and to reduce vibration, so it's very balanced with the battery. So let's get the guard installed and the side handle along with the disc. Okay, according to the instruction manual, before using the tool, the wheel guard must be fitted on the tool so that the closed side of the guard always points toward the operator. So you want this pointing down for your finger and hand protection. Also, according to the manual, it can be slightly angled to the left or to the right if you need to have it angled. Okay, to install the blade, you want to press down the lock button and then just use the tool provided to loosen up the disc. Okay, according to the manufacturer, it's important which direction you place the locking nut. If the disc is less than 4 millimeters or 5/32, then you have the flat end of this locking nut down, which is what I'll use in this case. If this disc happens to be thicker, then you want to have this end down, okay? So be sure and read the instruction before installing their disc. Use your tool to tighten. Okay, here's the grinder with everything installed. I got the side handle on the left-hand side, the guard in place, tightened and secured by this screw. The blade is tightened and secured. It has no wiggle in the disc. All we have to do is install the battery. So I'm going to be cutting a little bit of the ceramic tile, so let's give it a try. So overall, I'm very pleased with this cordless angle grinder. It comes with a very comfortable rubber grip. Comes with a side handle that you can use on left or right hand side. It does not come with the disc, or it does not come with the battery. However, it's equipped to use a DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. So overall, I'm very pleased. I recommend this cordless angle grinder.